Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a quick one for you here. I've got some spaces here. There used to be some felt in there. I think it was a felt sealer in there. Let me show you. It's in between a transition between the concrete on the side yard and the driveway. And often they would put a piece of felt like that in there, which is still good. That one, I suppose, was out in the sun and the weather so that it didn't hold up as well. Here's another example. This material, when originally it was put in, it was more soft. Now it's gotten pretty hard and it is cracked. But it's some kind of a, not really rubber, but some kind of a polymer material. But you have to fill underneath it with either felt or sand or something. Otherwise, you end up using too much of it. This is only meant to fill up a little bit of the crack at the top because basically it's more expensive than sand that would go underneath it. So let's fill this crack and try some like crack sealer on it. So I just took this curved blade and cleaned it out there. I'm going to fill it up with sand. Almost all the way to the top, and then I'll put that little concrete crack sealer on top. Now this is just sand. It doesn't have any concrete in it. You can buy Quickcrete, which has concrete in it, and mix in some water, and I've done that in some other areas of the patio. Oh, not the patio, the driveway. I'll show you one. I did a video of it. I'll show you one over here. This one, that's Quickcrete, and I mixed in some color with that, but you can look at the other video to see that one. So I just tapped that down by hand, and then I've got a little round rod there that I use to kind of form it up a little bit nicer. Now I'm just going to fill it up with the crack sealer, and I hope I have enough to go the whole distance. Okay, well, there you go. That's about how it's going to look. And, you know, the only other thing I could have done is try to put color in it, but it's gray next to a plain, uncolored gray concrete driveway, and then the side yard has a little bit of color in it, but there's no way I could have ever got that color to match. So I just went with that gray right there. Okay, so that's how I did it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.